The Pavilions. This is the Pavilion shopping centre in Uxbridge. Our first lifts are right inside.
Doors closing.
So this lift is a generic, stops at the ground floor, which is actually above the ground, so an upper ground. Stops at the first floor, which is the blue car park, and the red car park, second and third floors. I would have made the buttons light up because of the car parks. Let's see. I'm going to look upstairs. In the central core of the shopping centre, there are two Keighley lifts. Now it's the shopping centre's central lift. I'm going up.
Doors about to close. Doors about to close.
This is the Keighley.
Lift going up. Third floor.
Directly underneath these lifts are two ThyssenKrupp goods lifts. Here I found the service lift. It's a ThyssenKrupp. This trolley's not in a safe place. You have to break the safety to get it to go once it's stopped. And now it's the lift in the Cedar's car park, which is exactly the same as the lift in the Granger's car park. TK Maxx usually have good lifts, like the Only Deve lift, or an Otis Gen 2. But this lift is a generic.
Going up.
It's not a very good lift. It's got this really weak MRL motor, really weak and shoddy MRL motor. And now into the tower in the middle of the shopping centre, which has modernised Bennie lifts. This building's decor is still 60s style. And although the lifts have modern Dewhurst, they have old style alarm bells. Sadly, they've been modernised. That's the old indicator, I don't know. I think the indicator might have been changed to a modern style. I'm actually sitting on a seat in this lift, because it's got a seat. It's nice and comfortable, like being on a train. Except it would be comfortable if I didn't need the toilet. I think this is an express lift, or a Bennie lift that's been modernised. Except express would have had their buttons there, but there are screws, which makes it look like, and that panel's coming away, it's lower quality than the rest of the panels. So it looks like they replaced it. Hang on, did I just see the counterweight go past on the doors side of the lift? That doesn't make any sense. It's like a modernised express lift. The original alarm still works. Let's test it for a very short time. That's the original alarm. And now into Peacocks. These for some reason look like cone doors. Although this lift is modernised by high-tech lifts very heavily. Looks like it might have originally been a cone hydraulic, because it's got cone doors. The lift's announcement was, "Please contact centre management." And now to Wilkinson, which has an old lift, maybe O&K or Marryat-Scott, which has been modernised by this German generic company who put all the safety and capacity information in German. Now into Wilkinson. This lift looks quite old, might be an old lift like Ovenstein and Koppel or Marryat-Scott, but it's been modernised by a foreign generic company, and it's hydraulic. It says Lodige, Baujahr 2004, Fabriknummer. It's in German. It says Baujahr 200 Baujahr 2004, Fabriknummer 74583003. It's in German. This is modernised by a German company, and all the safety stickers are in German, which just shows how low quality German generic lift companies are. This is Marks and Spencer, and I know this lift has a US85, but it has windows in the doors which look older. It's not very fast. Is it even going? Finally. Not very good quality. Has got the numbers in. It's old. That CCTV camera makes a really weird ticking noise. That ticking noise is not past lift, it's the CCTV camera. It's the loudest thing in this lift. This lift's so quiet. It's a hydraulic and it is slow.
Ground floor.
At least the staff here know what levelling is.